Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, you'll listen to an English story about Tom and Emma visiting a local farmer's market. Have you ever tried food from a local farmer's market? Let's get started.
Wow! There are a lot of people here.
Yeah. The market is busy today.
I can smell fresh bread already.
I smell coffee too.
Look at those flowers.
They're beautiful.
This place feels really different from a supermarket.
Yeah. Everything feels more local here.
And people are talking to the sellers a lot.
I think many of them come here every week.
Oh, I see strawberries over there.
They look really fresh.
Some people are eating samples.
That's one of the best parts.
Free food always makes people happy.
Very true.
Wait. Is that bread stand giving samples too?
I think so.
The bread smells amazing.
Now I'm hungry.
You were already hungry.
That's not the point.
I also see homemade jam.
And honey too.
There are so many things to look at here.
That's why people spend hours at farmers' markets.
It doesn't feel like normal shopping.
Yeah. People come here to relax too.
Oh, I hear music.
Someone is playing guitar near the tables.
This place feels more like a weekend event.
Exactly.
I kind of want to try everything already.
We probably can't carry that much food.
Don't destroy my dreams so early.
I'm trying to protect your wallet.
Wow. There are so many kinds of honey here.
I didn't know honey could have different colors.
This one is very light.
And that one looks much darker.
I want to know why they look so different.
Maybe we should ask. Excuse me. Why are the colors different?
Different flowers make different kinds of honey.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Bees collect nectar from flowers.
So the flowers change the taste too?
Exactly.
That's really interesting.
This light honey is from orange blossoms.
Orange blossoms?
Yep. It has a softer taste.
And what about the darker one?
That one is wildflower honey.
Does it taste different?
A little stronger.
Can we try them?
Of course.
Oh wow. This one tastes very light.
Yeah. It's sweet, but not too strong.
I like this one.
It would taste good on toast.
Okay. Now let me try the darker honey.
Your face already looks nervous.
Hey, this one tastes completely different.
Really?
Yeah. It tastes richer.
I can understand why people like it.
I thought all honey tasted almost the same.
I used to think that too.
I kind of want fresh bread now.
Honey and warm bread sounds perfect.
Did you hear that the seller has a honey farm nearby?
Yeah. Everything here feels really local.
I think that makes the honey more special.
It feels more personal too.
I wonder how many bees they have.
Probably more than we can imagine.
I suddenly feel very thankful to bees.
They work harder than us, honestly.
I think we need to buy at least one jar now.
And maybe some bread too.
This market is becoming dangerous for my wallet.
We still haven't seen the jam stand yet.
I think I'm going to buy this one. Excuse me. Can we get one small jar?
Of course.
Thanks.
Good choice.
A lot of people buy this one?
Yeah. It's very popular.
I understand why.
A lot of people eat it with fresh bread.
That sounds really good.
The bakery stand is very popular today too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's next to the peach stand near the flowers.
Thanks. We'll check it out.
Enjoy the market.
I like how people here recommend other stands.
Yeah. The market feels more connected.
Oh, I see the peach stand now.
Those peaches are huge.
And the bakery stand is right next to it.
That bread smells amazing.
Look at this sign.
Picked this morning. That's probably why they look so fresh.
I don't usually see peaches like this in supermarkets.
Yeah. These still have leaves on them.
That somehow makes them feel more real.
I know what you mean.
I kind of want to try one.
Let's ask if they have samples. Excuse me. Are these peaches local?
Yeah. They come from a farm about 30 minutes from here.
Oh, that's really close.
We picked them early this morning.
Can we try one?
Of course.
Wow. That's really sweet.
And it tastes very fresh.
I understand why people come here now.
Yeah. The food feels more special here.
And you can talk to the people who grow it.
I think that changes the experience a lot.
Supermarkets feel faster.
This place feels more personal.
It also feels more connected to the season.
Yeah. Some foods are only here for a short time.
That makes people excited to visit.
Exactly.
Oh, I see fresh lemonade over there too.
And the pie stand is next to it.
We said we were done shopping.
We were wrong.
Again.
How was the story? Did you enjoy listening? Now, here is today's question. Why did the peaches taste fresh? Did you catch the answer? If you did, try writing it in English. Small practice like this helps you improve step by step. I will share more simple English stories like this. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to follow along. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next lesson.